So everyone, the project never ends. Right now, what I'm doing is the rear arches. So as you guys might have seen in the past, I've been trying to fit them on, trying to get everything right, because I'm one of those people that I try to do as much as I can before I fully do something that can't be reversed. For example, if I completely stuck it all on together, it's basically it's done. Can't do anything more. But what I have realized is with the arches, unless you cut the arches completely, the metal one, and then stick this in place, you're not going to get the proper fitment. So what I'm doing is, what I've done to this one is shaving this top piece off here. So this line that goes across the body is basically where I'm going to fit the arches on from. So from there it's going to have all the glue and everything like that. It's really strong adhesive glue. Then the filler and everything's going to blend everything in from there. So that's how I'm going to get that very clean, flush looking finish. Because if I left it as it is right now and filled that in, this bit's going to be raised, and that's not in line with the rest of the bodywork, and it's going to look like a shoddy job. That's not how the M3 arches actually go on. So I've done one side. That was like my test side. Took a long time looking into it all. Now I'm going to carry on with this side, figure it all out, and then we can do the same, get everything ready, mock everything up, make sure it's all in place, and hopefully look at sticking these bad boys on. So a lot of the riv nuts and screws that I've put in aren't actually needed anymore. I think 4 on this side and 3 on the other side aren't needed, so I'm going to need to drill them out, and when it comes to doing the bodywork and everything, fill those in and get them ready for paint as well. So that's pretty fun. Basically an hour of my life extra that I've wasted in the past that I've only just realized. But you live and you learn. So let's get to it with these guys. Peace. Oh, by the way, it's cold outside. It's like been raining. Oh, it looks really sunny. It always looks sunny in the camera. But yeah, it's been raining. It's pretty cold. So I've extra wrapped up. Hold on, that's a cool little. But yeah, so just gonna get everything done now with that, and then we'll catch you guys in a minute. So that's that off. Just take it over to the bench that I've set up outside and get this bit lined up and cut. So let's go. So because I've painted it all black previously, I need to know where the line is. So what I've been doing is I've got a gold pen, then I'm just gonna go across this line just here so I know where that is when I actually come to cutting it. So sorry, just noticed that the lighting isn't that great. But put that there. So yeah, gotta make this line up, and we'll go from there. So because this isn't, I don't think it's permanent or anything like that, and it's quite a runny ink, I'm just going to go over this with a heat gun and make sure it all dries up, so when it actually comes to cutting the line, it's not smudging or anything like that. So I'm going to get on with that. Now I'm going to get my Dremel ready so we can cut across this line, and it'll give us a really nice clean finish to start with, before we actually look at doing the rest of the actual sanding down. So catch you guys in a minute. So it's time. Whoa. So it's time to get that cut up. So gotta have this on, because otherwise, whoo, fiberglass in your burns, it's not good. That's the first semi-line. Whew, still smell it. That's the first semi-line cut through. So then this gives it a guide for me to actually cut through it nicely. So I'm just gonna carry on cutting that now. So guys, I'll come and show you the way it looks right now. It's really nice, it's come out really clean. As you can see, just there, it's near enough already in line with this part of the actual bodywork. There you go, should be able to see it a bit better. So it's just got a little bit of a lip. It's gonna get some sanding paper and a little block that I have, and just sand that all down as much as I can nicely. And then this side is also done, which will be happy days. Now, I'll be honest, the other side took a lot longer because I didn't do that line as cleanly as I did on this side, which shows a little bit of preparation saves a lot of time in the long term. So yeah, I wish I did that the other one the same in about like 10-15 minutes at least. But yeah, just gonna carry on sanding that down. Let's get to it. That's it, it's perfectly in line with that curvature now. So when I actually put it up against the bodywork, it's not going to need as much of filler or anything like that to blend it in. So it's just going to literally be hopefully stick it on, and that's it, it's in place, it's done, it's sorted. But yeah, really happy with that. So much easier than the other side. I'm glad I chose this side to record instead of the other one. Makes it a lot better makes me look a lot better, I should say. But yeah, cool, that's it. Let's see what I have to do next. Catch you guys in a second. Right guys, so I'm just editing one of the other videos right now. Again, so same thing as in my last video. I know a lot of the work on the car looks like it's a lot sunnier, although in this video you will see I do start putting a jacket on. It is still an old clip that I have not re-uploaded, I'm uploading now because I was silly and I should have uploaded it a long time ago, but I didn't, I don't know why. So yeah, I am just uploading that, and we're gonna skip back to the most recent Friday now. For you guys to see what I ended up doing with that. So whew. It's early. $5:45 in the morning. It's 4.5 degrees and it's Black Friday. Yeah, this is a very early morning. I would normally never wake up this early for Black Friday or anything like that, but I'm vlogging this year and I thought, you know what, it'd be cool to see what it's like to go very early to something and see what the atmosphere is like. So Curry's opens at 6 o'clock. I might be looking at buying something. Let's see how it turns out. Done. Let's roll. And we have arrived, and there's a lot of cars parked outside, but no idea how many of them are customers or just members of staff. So let's park up. Yo, I think they're open. That door's open and it's 4 minutes. Oh wait! Come on, to the door. No, that guy walked past and the door didn't open. I don't think they're fully open. I don't want to be that guy that ends up standing outside the door. So I'm just gonna wait in the car because it is cold. It's now 4 degrees. Let me see this. So yeah, it is now 4 degrees. It's very cold and oh snap, they're open. Let's roll. Police already here? Ah, that's what I'm after. So I ended up coming in for one laptop, but I've now ended up seeing another one. So it happened. Yeah, it happened. So yeah, it's now 7:27. I can't believe I was in there for an hour and a half that I could have been asleep. I need to fill up fuel before we go down to do anything else today. But yeah, been a good day. Well, good start to the day. Let's just hope I made the right choice by getting this laptop. I'm so tired. I'm literally running on like 2 hours worth of sleep. And I'll be honest, when I first woke up, it wasn't that bad. But yeah, it's starting to hit me now. My eyes are starting to get very stingy. I'm not feeling tired, but my body feels very tired, which I think is basically an indication for me to go to sleep. So yeah, for now guys, peace out.